Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were on chapter number 14, that is geometry, in which we have discussed up to exercise 14.5. So today I am going to begin with the next topic, that is views of an object. So first of all, I am going to write down the topic here, that is chapter number 14, geometry. Okay. So the topic that we are going to discuss in the today's session is, that is views of an object. That is views of an object. So this is the topic that we are going to discuss in the today's session. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of views of an object? So the meaning is that if we view something, देखो view of an object, अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ को देखते हैं तो हमें देखने में वो कैसी लगती है. Okay, if we see something, अगर हम किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं, so how it appears to us, this is the meaning. Okay, तो हम किसी भी चीज़ को देखते हैं. So similarly in the mathematics, it has a very different view. Okay, that we will discuss in the today's session. So first of all, I am just going to give an example. Suppose this is a cone. Okay, this is a cone. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So I have drawn a cone here, so now I have bought a cone also. Okay, so let's take the example from the real object. Okay, so this is a cone. You all can see. Okay, जब आप उसको ऐसे देखो, अगर आप इसको ऐसे देखोगे, okay, so this is a cone, but it's in, okay, you can see it's a cone. But if we look it from, अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे रख रहा हूँ, I'm keeping it like this, and I tell you that what is the shape, okay, what is the front view of this cone. If I ask you that what is the front view of cone, so what you will say, hey, ma'am, the front view of the cone is like a triangle. So it looks like a triangle. अगर आप इसको आगे से देख रहे हो तो ये ऐसे नजर आ रहा है. ओके, सो इट्स अ कोन, बट जब आप इसको एकदम सामने से देख रहे हो, सो इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ ट्राइंगल. सिमिलरली now let's take another shape. Okay, so this is a cylindrical shape. Okay, cylindrical shape में है. Okay, but if we see this cylinder from the front view, अगर आप इसको सामने से देखोगे, so how it look like? So it will look like this. It is looking like a rectangle. It's a cylinder, but ये कैसे तो दिख रहा है अगर हम इसको सामने से देख रहे हैं. So if you look it from the front, it is looking like a rectangle. Next, take the other example. So I am taking this ball. Okay, so now this is a ball. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it's spherical in shape. But if we look it from here, अगर हम इसको ऐसे यहाँ से देखें, सामने से अगर आप देख रहे होंगे इसको, so how it look like? Okay, so it is looking like a circle. Okay, so how the object appears when we see it from its front view, that is known as view of an object. That is known as view of an object. So this is what we are going to discuss in the exercise 14.6. Okay, main example I have given example of a cylinder. Okay, but if we see it from here, it looks like a rectangle. Similarly, if we are seeing this cone, okay, this is a cone, but if we see it from the front, okay, so it is looking like a triangle. Next, this is a ball. Okay, so if we see it, अगर वैसे हमें पता है this is spherical in shape, but if we see like this, it is looking like a circle. So this is the view of an object. So that is what we will discuss in the exercise 14.6. Okay, so this view is also known as elevation. This view is also known as elevation. So the question will be, what is the elevation of that particular object? Okay, so this is the question, that what is the elevation of that particular object. Chaliye. So now, okay, so if I ask you, Okay, so now the question is exercise 14.6. Draw draw the elevation of the lunch box. Okay, so अगर आपको ये first दिया हुआ exercise 14.6, okay, that okay exercise 14.6 you can do in the book only. Okay, exercise 14.6. So first is draw the elevation of an object. Okay, so if I tell you that अगर इसको सामने से देखेंगे the elevation of the object will be like this. इसको अगर हम सामने से देख रहे हैं so front view that is like this. So this is the elevation of an object of this this box. इसको अगर हम सामने से देख, this is a pencil box or sorry lunch box. Okay, but if we are seeing it from the front it will look like this. सामने से हमें वो rectangular shape में लगा. So this is the elevation of the this lunch box. Second one, draw the side view of the tent. So they have already given, this is a tent that they had made. Okay, this is a tent that they had made. Okay, and we need, okay, this is front, this is side. Okay, ये भी mention किया, so the front and the side is also mentioned there. Okay, now the question is draw the side view of the tent. Okay, so what is the side view? So side view is like a parallelogram, it's a quadrilateral. So the side view of the tent is like this. So the side view of the tent is like this. So this is the side view of the tent. Chal. Next is match the objects with its elevation. Match the objects with its elevation. So let's match it here. So the first one is a tent. So what is the elevation of the tent? So it is in triangle. Okay, so match the triangle. So match the tent with triangular shape. Match the tent with triangular shape. Second is, okay, it's like a brick. So second is a brick. So what is the elevation of the brick? So it is like a quadrilateral. Okay, it is like a quadrilateral. So this is the second one. The blue one is the elevation of, so the third one is the elevation of this brick. Third, it's a cylindrical shape. So it's like a cane. इसी की तरह एक cane है. Okay, so this is like a cane. So what is the elevation of this cane? It is rectangular. Okay, so just match it with the rectangle. Okay, the next is, it's a brick again. So what is the elevation of this brick? This is like also like a rectangle. अगर उसको हम सामने से देखेंगे that will look like a rectangle. Next, it's a cylinder again. So what is the view of this cylinder? That is like this rectangle and ऊपर दो like this. Okay, so this is the elevation of this cylinder. Okay, elevation और front view आप दोनों में से कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. चलिए, so this was from the exercise 14.6. Next is tiling a floor. Okay, the next is the tiling a floor. So what is the meaning of tiling a floor? Okay, this is tiling a floor. What is the meaning of that? Tiling a floor. Tiling a floor means floor के ऊपर tiles लगाना. Tiling a floor means floor के ऊपर tiles लगाना. So tiles, okay, so okay, all of you must be having the tile floors in your homes. So which type of floor tiling is suitable? Okay, आप color choose करते हो, we generally use colors because all the tiles जो भी आपको दिखते हैं generally they are okay. अगर आप कोई भी tiles choose करते हो या तो rectangular shape or either it will be in square shape. Okay, so this is tiling of the floor. So now in exercise 14.7, select the tiles which can be used to tile the floor of a room. So हमें choose करना है इसमें से कौन सी जो tiles हैं, तो whatever the shapes are given over here in exercise 14.7. So इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी tiles है जो कि किसी floor की tiling में use हो सकती है, so that the floor can be tiled properly. Okay, so first of all let's write down, draw all the figures. Exercise 14.7. Okay, so the tiles, okay, the first is of circular shape, second is rectangular in shape, third is third is like this, it's like a star. Okay, next is square. Okay, and the last is this. Okay, so suppose you are tiling the floor of your home. Okay, so just suppose that you are tiling the floor of your home. Which tile suits better? इसमें से कौन सी tiles are that will suit to your flooring of your home? So circular, is it possible to use a circular file? No. Okay, अगर आप circular लाएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं देखिए, अगर आप suppose you are going to apply circular, so यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ area that will be left. Okay, another circle, some area will be left. So the circular or the tiles will not be proper. Second is rectangular. So rectangular tiles can be used. Okay, rectangular tiles can be used. Third is star. So is it possible to do the proper tiling with the star shaped tiles? No. Next is the square. So it is suitable to apply square shaped tiles? Yes. This one? No. Okay, now देखिए, this is a quadrilateral. Okay, but it's not in a, neither it's in a rectangular shape, neither it is in a square shape. So is it possible to floor your tiles with this? No. It will be little bit more inconvenient. This is also wrong. So we can apply rectangular and square shape tiles in our in the flooring, so that the tiling can be proper. Tiling can be done properly on the floor. Done. Chalo. Moving next. The next topic, that is symmetry. That what is symmetry? So this is the next topic that we are going to discuss. Symmetry. SYMMETRY. That is symmetry. SYMMETRY. That what is the meaning of symmetry? Symmetry का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay. So the term that we use for the symmetry is a symmetry. Okay, so to divide something in the two equal resemblance. Okay, to divide something into two equal resemblance thing. Okay, symmetry means एक ऐसी चीज. Okay, like the mirror image. Okay, so other word that we can use for the symmetry is the mirror image. Okay, so जैसे हम if we look ourselves in the mirror, जब हम अपने आप को mirror में देखते हैं, right now I'm looking myself in this video or in the camera of the mobile. So I'm okay, मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? I'm looking just alike, जैसी मैं हूँ वैसी मैं यहाँ पे नजर आ रही हूँ. So this is my symmetrical image. Okay, mirror image. Okay, so वैसे ही when we draw a symmetrical line, okay, so okay, there's a symmetrical line that we use to draw. ओके, जिससे कि अगर हम उस चीज़ को किसी दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, दोनों की दोनों एक जैसी नजर आती है. दैट इज द मिरर इमेज. सो सिमेट्रिकल इज आल्सो, सिमेट्री इज आल्सो नोन एज मिरर इमेज. ओके, सो आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल. Okay, so let's first of all I'll just take the example of this circle. So this is a circle that you all can see. Okay, so this is a circle that you all can see. Okay, but when I divide this in the two parts, okay, जब मैं सर्कल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दूंगी, okay, so now I'm dividing it with the line. Okay, so this is a line of symmetry. Okay, ये आपको यहाँ पे बीच में क्रैक दिख रहा है. So this is a line of symmetry. Just think. So देखिए, जब हम इन दोनों को अलग कर देंगे, when we will, इन दोनों को जब हम अलग कर देंगे, just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm now separating it both. So now as you all can see, now I have separated it. Okay, so now देखिए ये और ये, are they looking same? So are they looking same after dividing? Yes. So that's why we have ये image थी. Okay, so this was the image. So but when I have divided it with the line of symmetry, when line of symmetry means इसको equal parts में divide किया, so now they look same. They are looking same. So this is known as symmetrical image. अगर आप इसको इधर से और इधर से देखोगे, they look same. Okay, अगर हम इसको ऐसे रखेंगे, if I put it like this, so this is not a symmetrical image. Okay, if we are going to apply the mirror here, okay, if I am going to apply the, okay, देखिए, if you see yourself in a mirror, so आपका right hand accordingly to your right hand, it will seems on the left. इधर से क्या लगेगा? right. ओके बट हमारे मिरर में क्या होता है, इधर वाला हाथ इधर दिखता है, इधर इधर नहीं कि राइट हमारा इधर दिखने लग जाएगा, लेफ्ट हमारा इधर, नो, इट विल बी लुकिंग लाइक दैट ओनली. ओके सो इफ आई हैव डिवाइडेड दिस फिगर इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. ओके सो अगर हम इसको ऐसे रखेंगे, दिस इज नॉट द सिमेट्रिकल इमेज, बिकॉज अगर हम इसका मिरर यहाँ रखेंगे तो मिरर में जो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है दिस विल बी इन द फ्रंट एंड जो सर्कुलर है वो पीछे होगा, कर्व है वो पीछे होगा, बट दिस इज नॉट सिमेट्रिकल इमेज. बट इफ आई कीप इट लाइक दिस, मैंने इसको ऐसे रखा, सो दिस इज द सिमेट्रिकल इमेज. ओके सो दैट मीन्स इफ यू पुट अ मिरर इन बिटवीन, तो दोनों के दोनों एक दूसरे को जैसे नजर आए, तो जो आगे है वो आगे नजर आए, जो पीछे है वो पीछे नजर आए, दैट इज नोन एज द सिमेट्री. गॉट इट? Similarly, let's take one more example. I'm taking one more example like this. This is 8. This is 8. I can't divide it. Okay, so I'll just draw it. This is 8. ये क्या है? 8. Okay, this is 8. Okay, so if I divide this 8 like this, अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐसे डिवाइड कर दूंगी, और क्या ये दोनों कैसे नजर आएंगे? Will they both of them they look alike? No, they will not look alike. Okay, because it's quite bigger. This is one is smaller. ये क्या है? बड़ा होगा. This circle is circular. Right shape is quite bigger than this. But if we talk about the 8. Okay, if I divide this 8 like this, if I divide this 8 like this, अगर मैं इस 8 को ऐसे डिवाइड करूँ, will they look alike? क्या ये दोनों जैसे नजर आएंगे? Yes. Okay, so they are forming the symmetrical image. So that means symmetrical means symmetry. Okay, symmetrical image means to they look same, they look alike, जैसे नजर आते हैं. That is known as a symmetry. Okay. Now coming back to the topic. So the image that is formed, okay, जो image form होती है एक चीज को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके, that is a symmetrical image. But the line, जो line हम use करते हैं, so this line, the line that I'm using, the line this one or this one line that I'm using, this is known as line of symmetry. This is known as line of symmetry. This line is known as line of symmetry. SYMMETRY. This is known as line of symmetry. So line of symmetry divides the figure into two similar or even two equal parts that they both look alike. Okay, if अगर हम उस image को mirror में देखते हैं तो they both look similar. So the line of symmetry. Okay, so here they have also mentioned. Okay, a symmetrical figure may have more than one line of symmetry. Okay, so let's take one example. Okay, that is the most important one. जरूरी नहीं है कि there should be only one symmetrical line. Okay, जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक symmetrical line हो. So it can be more than one also. Okay, so in a figure the symmetrical line can be more than one. Like this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Line of symmetry. यहाँ पे ड्राइव कर, they both are same. But if we divide it like this, your दोनों ये भी सेम होंगे. If we divide it like this, your ये भी सेम होंगे. If we divide like this, they both are same. So there are number of symmetrical lines that you can draw in a circle. So a circle has lots of a number of symmetrical lines can be drawn in a circle. Okay, lots of symmetrical lines or line of symmetry can be drawn in a circle. Okay, so the next exercise, that is 14.8. Okay, so in that we have to draw the symmetrical image, symmetrical line in the images whichever is given over here. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next session. So for today I am just ending this session here only. Okay, but if you have understood the concept of symmetry, so make sure that you all just try to do it by yourself. Okay, so that whenever we will be having the next video of the exercise 14.8, so you can easily understand it and you can recheck that whether whatever you have done is it correct or not. Okay, so this is just for a practice as well. Okay class, so this is from my today's session. So with this I am just ending this session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.